welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Hannah, and yep, I'm still rocking the blue hair. If you want to be subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and click the notification button if you want to be notified whenever I upload new videos. So today I'm going to do a Shopee haul, but I have already unpacked these items, so I do apologize, but yeah, let me just get into the haul. So first thing, I bought these two items from Jen de Gusena. I'll just post it and link the shop below. So I bought the Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner. So it looks like this. I haven't used that much. It's just that I have a little tiny bottle for like overnight, where I place in my little bag or pouch in my boyfriend's house. So that's why that much has been used up. I do feel that my skin has gone tad bit drier than usual, so I think it did help out a bit. That one was 600 pesos, no, 450 pesos. And I also bought the AOA Wonder Blender, the black beveled version. Sorry, it's dirty. That one is 150 pesos, and may video ako na nag-compare ng that sponge sa Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. Ililink ko dito sa corner at below din. So, yan. I just bought those two things from this store. Then next, I bought these three things from Your Beauty Ambassador. These are the Chroma Cellophane kasi. These are the Chroma Cellophane Color Treatment at 90 pesos each. So, meron akong purple, blue, violet, and red. At may video din ako for this one. This is the blue one, blue violet. My video ko, i-link ko din dito and below, in regards to the use, my first impression / review on the product. Tapos, yung next items, I bought from SECPH or SECCPH. Kasi I have been trying to focus a tiny bit more on my skincare. So, yon. These are the things that I bought from them. So, wala na akong moisturizer. So, bumili ako ng Human Nature Night Moisturizer. Yung 50 ml lang. 175, pero I got it for 131 para may sale sila. Tapos, bumili din ako ng Day Moisturizer, which is like this. 50 ml din, same price. My friend, Carmi, yung the girl I did the video where we tried Korean snacks with. So, she recommended the Human Nature Acne Defense Gel. So, it's like this. This one is 200, but I got it for 150. She said it's very effective kasi I was thinking of using tea tree oil, and she said that would be too strong, but this one has tea tree oil, and I don't think it dries out my pimple very fast or as fast as it works on her. So I'm sad about that because I really thought na mahihiyang ako with this product, pero we'll see. I have been using it still. My pimples haven't been super crazy, in a sense na parang yung pus niya, yung grabe talaga, yung parang one pimple na on top na. It's not like that anymore, thankfully. So I'm not sure if yung Celotech, I have the Celotech Acne Thing Gel also, that I used before, and I'm not sure if this one or the other one were both pretty effective in terms of not making the pimple go away, but not making it worse than it is. So I guess it's okay in that sense. Tapos, this one is the Human Nature Sunflower Beauty Oil. This one is 175. I got it for 131 din. So, Carmi said that it helped lighten her underarm style. So, I don't have light underarms, so I thought, why not? And I also heard it's good for the face, like dark spots. I haven't used it for dark spots yet kasi I have been using the defense gel on the pimple. So maybe when it goes down and becomes a scar, I'm going to use it. Tapos, lastly from that store, I got the Human Nature Natural Lip Scrub. Ito lang. I haven't gotten it out of the box yet kasi yung Beauty Treats ko na lip scrub, di pa naubos. It's barely existing, pero I just want to make sure I have a lip scrub kasi my lips are very, very chapped and dry. This is peppermint. I love the smell, pero I don't like kasi pot siya. So, maybe yung Beauty Treats one ko, I'm not sure if it's going to open, but if mag-open yun, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna transfer. So, yun. I'm not sure if I mentioned 175 yun, and then got it for 131 din. So, this is the last shop from my haul. This is from Zoe.ph. Tapos, I'm pretty sure international store ito. So, if you order from these type of stores, be ready na mag-antay ng medyo, very, 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 very dugay. What's dugay? Just you're gonna wait a long time. Yan lang. So, the first set of things I will show you, kasi maraming names, but hindi sila labeled. So, ito na lang muna. These are the lower lashes that I got. 10 pairs. Variant nila is HX6. HX6, yeah. This one is for 36 pesos. If I didn't mention in my previous videos, I cosplay. I am on hiatus, but I am thinking of going back into the cosplay world. So, I want to be prepared, char. And, marami kasing lower lash needs from my previous experience. So, I went ahead and bought them because medyo mahirap hanapin ang mga lower lashes. So, meron akong 6 set of 5 lashes. Merong ganitong style. Tapos, merong ganito na pretty, very, longish. And then, merong ganito. These ones are the ones that I have right now. And these ones, which are also spidery, are kind of thick and long. Meron din ganito. And these ones are in cartons, but, so, yun. I just want to have variations because I want to do more eye looks videos ko or for my Instagram, and I believe yung mga lashes kasi nag-bring out ng looks talaga. They range from 39 pesos, 26 pesos, 38, 33, 23, 30, 38. So, mga gano'n na prices. And then, meron akong 10 pairs na binili na upper lashes or fake lashes yung normal lang. These ones are for 38 pesos. So, ganito siya. Walang name or walang variant talaga. So, I can't help you with that. I'm sorry. And then, bumili ako ng eyelash or eyeshadow shields. 50 pairs ata ito. This is 43 pesos kasi I'm planning on doing more makeup on other people, and I think that would help a lot sa makeup journey culture. And that one, yeah, I think I told you the price na. And then, I also got these mini eyelash curlers. This is 25 pesos. Kasi I've been looking for ganito. Because when I do my false eyelashes, sometimes it doesn't fit the standard na eyelash. And then parang nagbe-bend yung ends. So I thought of getting these ones na lang. And in conjunction, I also got a beauty tool na for false eyelashes na ganito. This is for 20 pesos only. And then, I bought some nail art stuff. But, as you can see, my nails are a sad, sad story. Kaya, I didn't buy these for my nails. I mostly bought this for, creative looks, char. So, I'll just, like, paste these on the face or, you know, something like that to be more fun with my looks. Yung, colored, multicolored, 23 pesos. Tapos, yung gold, 25 pesos. And, yung hearts is 25 pesos. And then, lastly, I also got nail glitters, which I think is a bad thing kasi I'm planning to use them on my eyes. But, eto siya, this, like that, and ito. So, range ng prices, 22, so, 22 and 15. 15 yung mga ganito. So, yes, pretty good. And, parang I missed out on... Oh, one last thing pala. I have been trying to take care of my skin. So, bumili ako ng Aztec clay mask. Although, water lang ginagamit ko because I don't like the smell of vinegar. But, yun, bumili ako ng facial mask bowl with brush and spoon, and yun. I lost the brush kasi parang flimsy talaga. This is for 35 pesos. Ito yung bowl. My measuring cups, which is pretty helpful sa akin. And then parang may spatula. So, I usually just use this to mix and place on my face na talaga. So, that has been my Shopee journey lately. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Bumili pala ako ng, pumunta ako ng Cebu lately just for a really short trip because of my brother's surgery. And I went by Miniso and I bought these brushes. Parang insert lang, no? And this sponge too. So I may be doing a video to test these out. Let me know if you want to see something like that. I think that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any other video suggestions. Leave the comments below if you do, or just want to say hi, or have any questions again. So yeah, see you whenever, and good luck to your Subanianis, like banana pants, and I hope you keep staying true. Bye!